Let's just take a look at this beauty. Let's just pause for just a second and just look at this beauty. Look at her. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello, it's me, your girl, Catherine Gage, aka KGbeautywithin, your midwife dreamer and catalyst of change. And here I am again with another Luvme Hair wig install. This one is a 10-inch brown ombre highlighted wig, human hair. It's pre-cut, glueless, curly, and also have a part C partial part. And I absolutely love her. This is the part. This is the part here. I also did put foundation in the part because I just think it just makes it so seamless. I love that. This one here is absolutely wonderful. I love it mainly because it's of the length of it. It's 10 inches. I know you all saw my gorgeous 22-inch that I did. Absolutely love that wig. Absolutely got the most compliments of all the wigs that I have tried. That one by far is one that I got a lot of compliments. I've worn this one for a couple of days, and I got this one from Amazon, and reasonably priced, and I just really do love it. I love my Amazon group, and I also love all the Luvme groups that I'm a part of. And I also love it that you can use my code. If you click my link for my code, you can get a discount and also give me points so that I can get more beautiful wigs to review for you all. I absolutely love this one because it doesn't have a lot of hair fallout. I really do like that. It's not a lot of shedding. And when it comes out of the box, it's ready to wear. It comes, as you all know, Luvme always have the combs. It also have the band. The band is almost like a bra strap band that comes with the wig. Which is what makes it glueless. I don't have to wear the do the combs because I have my Dream Girl band that I wear, wig band that I wear, and it keeps it where it don't have any slippage. I absolutely love it, but I do love the fact that Luvme also give you 2 high definition wig caps. So either way, you are set. They take care of you. That's one reason why I keep going back to them, because they have high quality wigs. I really do love the fact that they're high quality wigs, 150% definition density, and so you also can use a curling iron. But I don't want to make it too hot, but you can make these curls even more curlier if you wish to do so. And so I love this because it is good. It's summertime, y'all. So I needed to switch up because I needed something that was more shorter and just cooler, because as you all know, I am a mature woman. I'm 54. I'm not shaming my age, but you know, I do have my personal summers sometimes. So because I have my personal summers, I needed something that I would just be able to wear and not be so hot. And this has really sealed the deal for me, y'all. It is beautiful. I get a lot of compliments. It turns heads, and I just love it. So if you are a person that don't know how to do hair, you don't want to mess with a curling iron, you don't want to mess with trying to style it, then you need to try a Luvme Hair wig install, because it's very beginner friendly. You get it out the box, you put it on your head, you put the band on, and you put your combs in, and then you're just ready to go. If you want to do a curl, if you want to put curls on it, you can. If you want to put other hair products on it, you can. But if you just want to just not do any of that, you don't have to. But so that's one thing I love about Luvme Hair. I love the packaging. I love the customer service. As you all know, I'm an entrepreneur. So when I see someone that's taking care of their customers, kudos to you, because it's not easy being an entrepreneur. But when you take care of your customers will take care of you. And I also want to say happy belated Mother's Day to all the mothers, because a couple of weeks ago we celebrated Mother's Day. And as you all know, that was my first Mother's Day. My sisters and I, without our mom, who passed away on August the 8th, 2024, Mother Corrine Moore. And so we made it through by the grace of God. It was not easy, but we made it through. And the one reason that kept me going was that my mom always have said, never give up. And so I wanted to roll over in the bed and just go back to sleep. But instead I got up and I celebrated my mom at our church. I celebrated my mom. My sister celebrated as well. So we're just so thankful that we had our mother with us for 77 years. And so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. We do so much. We nurture, to the ones that are not mothers, to the aunties, they're second mothers, to the godmamas, happy Mother's Day to you all. On today, we're actually celebrating Memorial Day. So happy Memorial Day to our fallen soldiers. Thank God for the ones that went before us to help protect our country. Thank you for your service. As you all know, my husband is a 22-year veteran. So, I have a special heart for the veterans, a special heart for our soldiers, for the active duty. Thank you all for your service. And so today was a day that we reflect. We remember them, remember the ones that fought for us, but we also remember our loved ones. You can remember the loved ones that have gone before you that you want to celebrate. So we celebrate you on Memorial Day, a very special day, and we just want to say happy Memorial Day to you. So I pray that you all had a blessed day, and so much goes on. So I'm just so thankful to be able to come to show you different things about my life, different content. And so this one here is I Luvme Hair. When you look good, you feel good. You just it really just makes your day. It helps your attitude. It helps your mood. So it's all, all about the total body, the total woman, the total, taking care of this, the total woman, hair, your nails, makeup, and then, what? God bless me that now I am a licensed insurance agent. Yes, I'm Agent Catherine as well, serving for life and health. So if you need makeup, I got you. If you need skincare, I got you. But if you need a life insurance plan, guess what? Agent Catherine got you as well. I just love entrepreneurship. I believe in multiple streams of income. And so this is just a way that I wanted to remember my mom. I'm so thankful that during the time that we had to take care of the final expenses that we did have life insurance, but so many people do not have it. So I wanted to do something in my mother's honor, because she believed in it. She believed in it. And so it's just something that so much birth, so much come out of grief sometimes. Sometimes new things come because you're trying to just make it through. So I'm just thankful for you all. I'm thankful for your prayers. I'm thankful for my family, my sisters, my husband, my child, all my children, adult children. I'm just thankful for everything. So I want to say happy Mother's Day to you all, and happy Memorial Day. And I hope that you love this wig. Let me know. Do you love the color? Because y'all know I love this color. I think it's very complimentary of my skin, of makeup, and everything. Do you love it? Do you love the length? Are you looking for something for the summer? You want a new look? Hey, go try this wig. Click my link and get your discount. And then send me a picture. Shoot a picture. Shout me out on Facebook. Shout me out. Let me know how it looks on you. I want to see pics. I want to see what you're doing and how you're doing with the wig installs. So if you tried any of the wig installs that I've reviewed, shout me out. Hey, KGbeautywithin, look at my install. And make sure you use that discount code, because I do want to see you get the best price for your wig. One thing about Luvme, they give you so many discounts. And then when you're a part of the Luvme Club, there's so many points you get every time that you purchase and install. I think I'm on silver right now, going for gold. So, there's just so many different valuable things that are a part of the Luvme Hair collection. So this is one. I love this one because it just feels so flowy. It's just not very much hair. There's not a lot of shed. This one doesn't shed. You may have a little bit of shedding, but it's not like you have a whole sink full of shedding. So that's one thing I love. I think I love the versatility of it. I love that, it just, look, it's just seamless. It's seamless. And it's just, you can just look at how gorgeous It is. If you can just, that's me up close and personal. Very gorgeous, just very gorgeous. So you all let me know how you like it, and let me know. You let me know. How can I assist you? I'm working on new content. There's something very special up in the air. Just stay tuned. It's going to be something that I promise you that will be very special, very, very nice. It's up in the air. So, thank you again for just being here for me. Thank you again for being my fans, for being my supporters, my subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to our KGbeautywithin family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm here to take care of you, and I'm so happy that I'm able to do the whole total package: skincare, beauty, and now life and health insurance. So if you need any of those things that I can assist you with, feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to assist you. I love you all, and thank you all for just supporting me. It means the world to me. It really means the world to me, especially during this time of grief. It hasn't been easy, but with the help of God, I can feel my help coming. I can feel the strength coming. I can feel the strength of my mom, the push to say, get up. Don't just lay down in your grief, but get up. And if I can be of a service, my motto is always, if I can help someone, then my living is not in vain. And that's what I plan to do, is to keep bringing you good content, keep bringing you real life issues, because you know what? We're living a life, and life be lifing, but I always say God is Godding. So y'all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Remember, God first, family second, career third. Put all three of those things in perspective. Everything do fall in place, and have a wonderful, wonderful evening. And let me know what you think of this new Luvme hairstyle. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. Take care. Have a great night. Bye-bye.